Okay, here we go. This is a video on the dome glass installation for the Galaxy Note 9. We'll go ahead and show you guys how to do this. I know it's been done 1,000 times, but I'm gonna give you guys my little take on it. We got the 2-pack for me and the wifey. So let's open this thing up. Okay, so these are all the contents in the box. That's obviously the glue right there that you're gonna use to stick your screen protector to the glass on your phone. Comes with 3 of them. Don't lose them. You got the UV light right here. This is like the main part of it, really. Probably what you pay most of your money for with this product actually is this UV light. I don't know if I'll ever use it again, but still kind of cool. Yeah. So I would suggest testing this UV light before you actually try going ahead with the installation. You'd probably be pretty pissed off if you got all the way to the end and the UV light didn't work. So test that out beforehand. We're gonna do a test on it in a second, but before that, let me show you all the other contents in here. Got my 2 screen protectors right here. This is the tray that you're obviously going to put your phone into. Man, this thing is giving me problems here. There we go. And that glue is going to go in there and it's going to rest on top. We'll get to that part later though. So anyway, here, let's go ahead and test this UV light out. Make sure this UV light works. Don't want to get to the end and it not work. So let's test this out. Here we go. And it works. Yep, there it goes. It works. So we're good to go on that. Now let's get our space set up. First things first, you want to go ahead and clean off your screen. You're going to clean off the whole entire screen, edge to edge. Get all the gunk off, all the grease and everything off of it. So we're about to go ahead and clean this off. Clean, clean, clean. Now, the best thing to do is turn off your phone. I should have done that, but I was in a rush. I wasn't really worried about the instructions, but I would say clean off your screen with your phone powered off. It makes it a whole lot easier. That way you're not constantly clicking it on like I am. Next step, after you go ahead and clean off your screen with the wet wipe, you're gonna get the dry one and you're gonna go ahead and dry off the screen. and wipe off any other residue and stuff. There we go again. Like I said, remember to turn your phone off. Clean, clean, clean. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Okay. So everything looks good. It looks nice and clean and shiny. Now you're gonna take this dust sticker or some tape. It's pretty much the same thing. And you're gonna blot all the dust particles off that might be left from the dry wipe. Okay, that's done. So we're ready to put the phone inside the tray. You want to put it in with that speaker. You see how that speaker is showing right there? You want to make sure that you line up your speaker with that part of the tray so that you know you're oriented right. So in the end, it would be set up like this, and you would have that glue on top of your phone. But before that, you want to go ahead and get these T stickers, and you want to put that over the speaker. You don't want any of this glue getting inside of your speaker port for your earpiece. You don't want any of that getting in there. So you put that T sticker, that blue T sticker right there over it, and make sure that it's covering, make sure that it's stuck properly. Like I said, that's there to protect the speaker port from any of that glue adhesive. So you go ahead and you put this glue in there, screw it down, take the red tip off and put the red tip in there, screw it down. And once you get done with that, make sure everything's lined up. Oh, yeah, that's right. Make sure that you have both parts of the tray over. It's two parts to the tray. It's not just one. So it's two parts of the tray. So make sure you have both parts of the tray around your phone and then set it up like so. Make sure everything's good. Okay. And then you're going to put this little plastic piece in there. And unscrew the glue. Unscrew the cap to the glue, and the glue is going to come out on the upper top portion of the phone. Next, grab your screen protector and get it ready. Make sure you use the right side of the screen protector too, by the way. So after a couple of seconds, the glue should be pretty much dripped out of the glue stick. It'll be there at the very top of your phone in the middle. You want to make sure all of it's out. Take the glue tray off, remove it, and put your screen protector on top. And it should rest directly on top of that plastic T part that we just put in a minute ago. And you want to line everything up. Make sure everything's lined up, and then you're going to remove that plastic bracket right there, that plastic T bracket, and watch the glue spread all around your phone screen. Try to make sure that it spreads evenly. Make sure that it goes down towards the bottom of your phone. It starts at the top, so make sure it goes down to the bottom. Any bubbles should kind of remove themselves. If you have to try and move them a little bit, that's okay, but you shouldn't have to do too much. Next, get your UV light set up. Get it ready. Put it on the top part of your phone. It'll click off as soon as it's done. As soon as it's done. So it has a built-in timer. After it's done, it'll turn off. After it's done, move it to the lower part of your phone and repeat the process. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and remove the top tray. It might be a little sticky. Mine was kind of stuck. This process is a lot messier than it seems. It was messy for me at least, but you want to remove that top part. And then you're going to go ahead and remove your phone from the bottom tray as well. You can wipe it off here if you want, or you can take it out of the tray and wipe it off. Either way, you're gonna have to wipe it down. This glue is very messy. So I took it out of the tray and started wiping it down. And there's a lot of gunk. You'll see there's a lot of gunk everywhere. It's going to be on the side of your phone, probably be on the back of it too a little bit. Now you're going to get ready to do another set of UV curing on it. Again, on the top part first. And then on the bottom part again, one last time. Once this process is done, you're going to go ahead and take the phone and you're going to clean it down one more time really good, because there still will be plenty of gunk on your phone. So it's a good idea to go ahead and wipe it down again. Make sure you remove all the residue, as it will stick. Give it a nice wipe down again. I don't know if you can see, but there's plenty of gunk on the side of my phone still, even after wiping it down the first time. Make sure you get all of it. It's going to be along the edges of the screen protector, the sides of your phone, even probably on the back. It was on the back for me. And after you get done with this, you're done. Your phone should look pretty nice after you get done with this process. Nice and shiny, new phone with the screen protector on it, and looks really nice after you get it done. Nice and shiny. We're done.